Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a few cards using the Spellbinders September kit, which is, I love the colors in here and the stamp sentiments are really nice. I've got a few things tucked in here. So I thought we'd go ahead and jump in. This is using the card kit of the month and use the dies to assemble this with a piece of the paper that you get with the paper pad. And I used gold mirror card, to go ahead and use the dies that come with the kit and cut that out for the frame. And I'm going to put foam on the back of that and mount that up from the other pattern paper as well. I'm just going to center that right on there. I'll go ahead and mount that on one of the card bases that it comes with, and I'm going to glue it directly down. I picked out some of the ephemera bits here. I've got some of the watercolor card. I'm going to go ahead and pop these up on foam adhesive, and then the leaves will tuck in amongst the flowers here. Just like that. And here and there. And then for our sentiment, these chipboard stickers are a lot of fun, and you can kind of tuck them in various places as well. It says, sending good thoughts from me to you. Spilled way too many. These sequins are from a past Spellbinders kit, and that finishes off that card. Super simple. Okay, moving along to our next card, I wanted to use this paper here with the clocks on it, and then this one as well, and I liked the time element. It does come with a clock, snapshots, and I'm going to go ahead and use some of those things. So I'm going to cut these down 5 1/4 by 4. And then the layering piece I'm going to cut down to 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. Cut this one slightly so we can see more of the clocks. I'm going to put foam adhesive on the back of these two. The darker colors out of the pack here. I'm going to get this. And I'm going to layer that on there. So snapshots just like that. I'm going to get another one of the card bases out. And that's going to go right there. And I'll use this star that was stuck to the back of my paper to kind of accent the other direction. And that's one quick card all done. Loved this plaid paper here, to the idea of hunter green with the dogs and things. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this down to 5 1/2 at 4 1/4 to 5 by 3 3/4. this little gold window. We're going to go ahead and put that down. This one will make a great guy card. I'm going to put it kind of up and off to the side. Say home is where you are. Kind of playing off of that window. And then I'm going to pop up this little dog on foam adhesive. And the little dog I'm going to glue straight down. I can manage to grab some more of these stars that come in the kit. They give you quite a few. Also can make it look like the night sky over that house. Glue that down. I love that green. It's very, very pretty. Nice deep hunter green. It's going to layer right over that. Home is where you are, so great Father's Day card or something like that. So that's card number 3. I think we'll go ahead and do another one. I love this dog paper here on this grid. I've got it cut out of some stitch dies that layer together like that. So I'm going to go ahead and glue those down. Really wasn't sure how many cards I was going to do, so as long as I'm in the mood. I'm going to make a square card base of 5 by 5. They've changed the cardstock that they're using, and I like this better. This is more of what I'm used to. So I'm very glad to see that. Not that it was bad before, but I think this is an improvement. I'm going to go ahead and lay that down there like that. And then I'm just going to make a card base later for this one, just a square card base that measures 5 by 10, and then fold that in the middle and you're ready to go. So those are just a few. I might do another video. I don't want to make this one too long, but these are 4 cards that just clean up my mess here. 4 cards that are quick to make, and I haven't even dipped into the beautiful little gemstones, a lot of the stickers, the papers, and these are all the die cuts that I have, as well as the stamp set and the dies themselves. The only dies I used was on this first card, so let me go ahead and show you these again. I really like that frame idea. I'm going to do some more cards with that in general. We have some masculine colors, not that they have to be, but that one, like the time element one on that one, and then something a little different with the square card and the fun embellishments. So those are some quick cards. I'll probably be having, I'm not going to promise, but I'll probably be having another video with some more from this set because I have a lot left. Thanks so much for joining me today, and see you in the next video.